Hi, my name is Joe Clark. I am the product specialist with Eurotherm, and today I just wanted to take a quick minute to go over the usage of a USB keyboard with latest firmware 2.20 on the Nanodac. Just to show how easy this is, right now in front of me I have a Microsoft wireless keyboard. I will plug in the USB dongle into the USB port, and after about 1 to 2 seconds it identifies it as being a USB device. And just to show how easy this is, I can simply just start typing, and right there I just said this is a test message. I hit the page key to accept the change, and as you can see right away it automatically displays it on the chart as it's recording. And that's all I need to show you. Thanks.